Good morning students. Today we have to read the next page. Before reading this page, we will read the words given in the box. A, I and N, A and D, and. So let us start reading the page. C-A-D, cat, R-A-N, ran, A and D, and. Cat, ran, and. S-A-T, sat, I and in, A, V-A-N, van. Cat ran and sat in a van. Means cat भागा and van में बैठ गया. R-A-T, rat, A-N-D, and. C-A-T, cat, S-A-T, sat. Rat and cat sat. Rat and cat दोनों बैठ गए. W-I-T-H, with. With means साथ में. With. C-A-D, cat, I and in, T-H-E, the, V-A-N, van. With cat in the van. Rat and cat sat with cat in the van. Means rat and cat के साथ वैन में बैठ गए. C-A-D, cat, T-H-E, the, C-A-T, cat. Cat, cat, A-N-D, and, T-H-E, the, R-A-T, rat. H-A-D, hat, J-A-M, jam, I and in, T-H-E, the, V-A-N, van. Cat, the cat, and the rat had jam in the van. Cad, cat और rat तीनों ने वैन में जैम लिया.